My older style rolling baskets are thinned out and need replacement. When ordering new baskets, should I upgrade to new heavier 62-inch arms with rubber trunnion mounts and newer style basket hangers as well? That depends on the condition of your basket hangers and 62-inch arms. If your basket hangers have been welded or are showing signs of fatigue, replace both the baskets and basket hangers. If your 62-inch arms have been welded or plated, consider replacing them with the new rubber trunnion style. Check where the 62-inch arms fit into the head. If the retaining bolts on the 62-inch arm can rotate and the head or the arms are worn, they should be replaced as an assembly. It is less expensive to replace all the components as a complete assembly versus individual parts if replacing all of the components.